What's up guys, Joe from RC Outlaws here. Just going to put up a quick video of me changing out the stock wheelie bar on my Team Associated DR10. I went ahead and bought a couple of wheelie bars for my Traxxas Slash drag cars, and I wound up not using one of them. So I wanted to use my Traxxas Slash drag bar, or wheelie bar for that matter, on my Team Associated DR10, but unfortunately the mounts don't line up. So what I had to do was I ordered one of these 3D printed wheelie bar mounts that convert the Team Associated DR10 so it can mount a Traxxas Slash wheelie bar, or a wheelie bar made for a Traxxas Slash drag car. So basically what we got to do is remove the wheelie bar itself. Just basically take those nuts off, knock them through a little bit so you can grab them. We'll pull those out like that. And there you have it. The wheelie bar is off. So now we need to replace. So this piece is going to go on the back just like that. So we need to remove, wrong size. We need to remove the mount now for the wheelie bar itself. Okay. There we go. So that's it. Now it's just a matter of bolting this back on. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. So just pop those two screws right in there. So now your new mount is on. Alright, so basically what you get is 3 aluminum cross braces. One of them in the back, which the wheels connect to, and then it comes with 4 screws. One for each side of 2 of these, which it has 2 extra braces in the middle. And then you could set your adjustments on these. These seem really nice, made out of carbon fiber. I'm actually using one on one of my Slashes already, and it seems to work really well. Alright guys, so let's put these together. Don't forget to lock tight these, because these do back out if you don't. And you'll wind up losing it at the track. Okay, now that I got the 2 cross braces on, we're going to put the final one on, which is in the back. And that one comes with 2 different screws, so your wheels can go on the outside. So same thing again, just going to line these up. These are actually a Phillips head, so I'm going to have to swap these out. A little Loctite. Make sure your wheels spin nice and freely. And that's pretty much it. So now all we need to do is bolt it onto the car. Kind of just going to set it in the middle for now. And we'll see when we get to the track exactly how we're going to like it, depending on how it launches and how much time we spend riding on this wheelie bar. Hopefully not that much, otherwise we're losing races. Want to make sure your wheelie bar is somewhat even. Otherwise, when you launch your car on the drag track, if one wheel hits the ground before the other, it'll pull the car in one direction or the other, and you won't be going straight. You might not win that race. Alright. And there it is. Brand new wheelie bar by CCS. Custom parts, you could find them online. I'll put a link down in the description below. And that's pretty much it. So this is actually my son's car. I wound up putting in a little audio system for him last night just because he likes that type of stuff. But I'll let you guys have a little listen while you're here. I know it ain't gonna make them faster, but sure does sound cool. All right. Pretty cool stuff. But alright guys, if you liked the video, please like it down below. If you haven't subscribed already and want to see some more hobby related videos, hit that subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching.